Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful beauty secret: glowing skin by drinking water. If you want to learn how staying hydrated can transform your skin, keep watching. Let's start with why water is so essential for glowing skin. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. Water helps keep your skin hydrated, flushes out toxins, and improves circulation, all of which contribute to that radiant glow. Now, how much water should you drink to see these benefits? The general recommendation is 8 glasses, or about 2 liters a day. But this can vary based on your activity level and climate. Starting your day with a glass of water, carrying a water bottle, and infusing your water with fruits or herbs can help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Let's dive into the specific benefits of drinking water for your skin. Drinking enough water keeps your skin hydrated, prevents dryness and flakiness, maintains its elasticity, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, enhances your complexion, and reduces acne by flushing out toxins. Here are some practical tips to incorporate more water into your daily routine. Set reminders, use apps or alarms to remind you to drink water. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. And track your water intake to ensure you're getting enough each day. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some real-life testimonials from people who've seen incredible skin benefits from drinking more water. One person said, "I started drinking 2 liters of water daily, and within a few weeks, my skin looked more radiant and clear." Another shared, "Incorporating more water into my routine helped reduce my acne and gave my skin a healthy glow." These testimonials show that the benefits of drinking water are real and achievable. By understanding the importance of hydration, knowing how much water to drink, and incorporating simple tips into your routine, you can achieve glowing, healthy skin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Glam and Glow Organically. This gives us even more courage to make unique content for you in future. And hit the bell icon for more natural beauty and wellness tips. See you next time.